Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math exam. First, begin your preparation at least 7 days before the test. Develop a clear study schedule, allocating specific times for different subjects. Pinpoint the most important topics and any areas where you feel less confident. This structured approach will help you cover all necessary material efficiently and reduce last-minute stress, ensuring you are well prepared for success. To truly master math, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate significant time to solving a wide variety of problems from your textbook and notes. Challenge yourself by completing past exams within the allotted time, just like the actual test. Crucially, analyze every problem you get wrong. Understanding your errors is key to improving and avoiding similar mistakes on exam day. Beyond memorizing formulas, strive to deeply understand the core mathematical concepts. When you grasp the why behind the how, you can apply knowledge to new problems. Try explaining complex ideas to someone else. This process often reveals gaps in your own understanding. Do not hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for clarification on any challenging areas. On exam day, prioritize your well-being. Aim for a full 8 hours of sleep to ensure your mind is sharp and rested. Fuel your brain with a nutritious breakfast. Avoid heavy or sugary foods that can cause a crash. Arrive at the exam location at least 15 minutes early, bringing all required items such as 2 pencils, an eraser, and a calculator if permitted.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.